If you're shopping for a dash cam that covers your front, rear, and interior all at once, wait until you hear the price at the end of this video. You'll be surprised by how much value this compact triple camera setup packs in. Introducing the REDTIGER 4K 3-channel dash cam, a smart, high-definition solution designed to keep you and your vehicle protected at all angles. Full vehicle coverage in 4K. This isn't just a front-facing cam. The REDTIGER F17 records in 4K up front, plus 1080p in the rear and cabin, all at once. It's perfect for commuting, road trips, or rideshare drivers looking for full interior visibility. The infrared night vision ensures cabin footage is clear, even in total darkness. Wi-Fi, GPS, and easy sharing. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can connect to the app and quickly view or download your recordings. Built-in GPS tracks your location, speed, and route, which can be crucial during insurance claims or legal disputes. A 64GB memory card is already included, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Smart safety features. G-sensor locks files automatically during sudden impact. WDR, wide dynamic range, balances lighting for better visibility. Parking mode and motion detection provide 24/7 protection. A bright 3-inch display lets you preview footage instantly. What real buyers are saying. Reviewers love the crystal clear 4K front video, the cabin cam's night vision, and the ease of viewing footage through the mobile app. Many rideshare drivers say it's the best dashcam they've used, offering peace of mind for both day and night trips. A few drawbacks to know. Some users say installation can be tricky in SUVs or trucks due to the cable length. Others report that interior reflections can affect the infrared view, especially if your dashboard has a glossy finish. A few also mention occasional app connectivity issues, especially on older Android models, though most found it reliable overall. Final thoughts. The REDTIGER 3-channel dashcam is a standout if you want reliable, high-quality recording from all angles. It's packed with smart features, clear footage, and great value. It's normally listed at $239, but you can grab it now for just $139.99. Check the link in the video description to see today's deal. Click the description link to check pricing, availability, and buyer reviews. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow Amazon Secrets Revealed for more real-world product reviews and Amazon tech picks every week.